Call center? Oh yeah, call center, right?
Hey Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look man, keep driving that audience. So Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
We have a call center. We have a call center, right?
Có quy trình đúng và có công việc đúng.
You cannot run a sales team. Just say, hey, here's a phone, or here's a phone, call customers. It doesn't work, right? Especially if you have, it might work if you have 3 salespeople, right? And you can manage them, right? But let's say if you have a team of, like us, we have a team of 50 people right now in sales. 49 actually, right? Yeah, 49. What?
That's much.
That's what?
That's much.
That's a lot.
No, that's not enough. I want 100 here, 1,000 outside, but it's very slow. But once you expand your sales team, you need tools. You need tools to help you, and that tool is call center, right? So when salespeople call, all the calls are recorded. Right. The call center connects to our CRM, so all the customer information the salespeople can see. When they call them, oh yeah, you bought this product, we called you last month, you said this, all that information is available. So the worst thing that you can do when you call a prospect is like, hello, what did we talk about last month? I forgot, right? You know, then they say fuck you and hang up, right? So did you say fuck you? You know, so before you call the prospect, you have all the information there, like all the calls are recorded. You know what you told them already. Maybe last month they told you, I will buy the product this month. Maybe last month they said, I'm going away. I'm on a business trip. I'll come back in 2 weeks. And call them and say, how was your business trip? They're like, oh, you remember me. Right? And that makes a lot of difference. Right? What else? There's so many benefits to call center. Actually, I don't know. Like, all the calls are recorded. It goes through a centralized phone line, phone system. Like, it goes through a centralized line, so you're saving money, right? You don't need like 50 lines. It's basically 50 extensions, right? You're saving money that way. And you have control. You can control salespeople. The salespeople can only see her customers, her leads. Right? The salesperson can only see her customers and leads, right? So you can have permissions.